Flip it. Master Korean reversible pairs with fun. Part 2. Did you know that some Korean words can be flipped around and still make perfect sense? Today, we'll explore 2 fascinating words that do just that. Today's reversible words are
건물,
and.
물건.
In this video, we'll learn their pronunciations, meanings, cultural insights, and practical sentences together. And stay tuned until the end for a fun quiz. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The first word is
건물,
Shall we practice its pronunciation together? Here's how to pronounce it.
건물, 건, 물, 건물,
건물,
Means building, a structure with walls and a roof where people live, work, or store things. South Korea is a highly urbanized country with many skyscrapers and apartment complexes. Cities like Seoul and Busan are filled with tall buildings that define the skyline. However, traditional Hanok houses still exist, creating a unique blend of modern and historical architecture. In K-pop lyrics, it is often used as a metaphor for success, ambition, and growth. Before we move on, let's learn how to use
건물,
in a practical sentence.
이 건물에는 주차장이 없어요.
This means this building doesn't have a parking lot. Let's say this sentence together.
이 건물에는 주차장이 없어요. 이 건물에는 주차장이 없어요. 이 건물에는 주차장이 없어요.
The second word is
물건,
which is formed by reversing the syllables of.
건물,
Shall we try pronouncing it together? Here's how to say it.
물건, 물, 건, 물건,
물건,
Means object or thing, any physical item that you can touch. This includes products, tools, souvenirs, and everyday items. It is more than just an object. It can hold memories, emotions, and sentimental value. In K-pop lyrics, it often symbolizes a past relationship, a cherished moment, or an unforgettable memory. Now, let's see how we can use
물건,
in a practical sentence.
저는 물건을 자주 잃어버려요.
This means I often lose things. Let's practice saying this sentence.
저는 물건을 자주 잃어버려요. 저는 물건을 자주 잃어버려요. 저는 물건을 자주 잃어버려요.
Quiz time. Here's a fun question to test your knowledge. Which of these is a structure with walls and a roof for people to live in or store objects? Number 1.
건물,
Number 2.
물건.
Write your answer in the comments below. Great job! Today we explored 2 fun Korean reversible words.
건물,
And
물건.
one means a structure for people to live or work in, while the other refers to physical objects. Now you won't get them mixed up. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun Korean lessons. See you in the next video.